Welcome back to Schools Challenge 2019. It's the third match in round one, and the scores are McGrath High on 19 points and Central High on 26 points. Let's get into the buzzer challenge. Teams must press the buzzer and wait to be identified before giving their answer. 2 points will be added for correct answers, but teams will lose 2 points if the answer is incorrect. Teams, it's time to gear up with your quick fingers, quick thinking, and fast answers, which could put you one step closer to winning the championship. Let's have 4 minutes on the clock, please. The first question comes from Bible knowledge. After Jesus fed over 5,000 people with 2 fishes and 5 loaves of bread, how many baskets, Central?
12.
Correct, were left over. Biology. What is the name for the amount of heat required to raise the system's temperature by 1 Kelvin? Thermal capacity or heat capacity. English language. What does the prefix omni, as used in the word omnipresent, McGrath?
All.
Correct. What does it mean? Local affairs, a visual one, so look at the screen and identify the individual. Central High.
Anthony Anderson.
Yes. Chemistry. What is the formula for calcium phosphate? Central.
Ca3, PO4 bracketed 2.
Correct. Music. Listen to this clip. Identify the song. For you, general knowledge, in which Jamaican parish is the Blue Lagoon located? Central High.
Portland.
Correct. Spanish. Which insect is la mosca? Central.
The fly.
Correct. Geography. What are the 2 most prominent gases in the atmosphere in terms of McGrath?
Oxygen and nitrogen.
Correct, in terms of volume. And theatre and cinema, look at the monitor. Identify this Jamaican actor. Central High.
Glenn Campbell.
Correct. Information technology. 1,024 bits is equal to how many bytes? Central High.
1,024 bits. Yeah. All right. Times that by 8.
And your time has expired. It's 128. History. Rhodesia was the former name of which African country? Zimbabwe. Mathematics. A van runs 180 kilometers on 18 liters of petrol. How far will it run on 45 liters of petrol at the same rate? .450 kilometers. And we move to physics. According to kinetic theory of gases, at absolute zero, what happens to the gas molecules? They stop movement or stop moving. Sports, look at the monitor, identify this person. Central High.
Adam Silver.
Correct. Jamaican heritage. What dance is done on the eastern end of the island in the parish of St. Mary and is usually performed after the death of a person until the 9th night? Dinky Mini. French. Translate the following question into English. Qu'est-ce que vous allez acheter? What are you going to buy? Jane Eyre was written by which of the Bronte sisters? Charlotte. Art. In which century did Leonardo da Vinci create the work The Last Supper? The 15th century. Bible knowledge. What was the name of the high priest of Jerusalem who put Jesus on trial? Central High.
Caiaphas.
Correct. Biology. The Greek word entera, when translated, is the name of a specific part of the human body. The intestine or the bowel. And that's the end of the final challenge. In fact, the end of our match. Scores are McGrath High on 23 points, Central High on 40 points.